Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a landing page with GetResponse. If you'd like to try GetResponse for free, click the link in the description below. GetResponse offers landing pages as part of its marketing platform, providing a simple way to create focused web pages for specific campaigns or promotions. These landing pages are often used to capture leads, promote products, or drive specific actions like sign-ups or downloads. The platform includes a drag-and-drop editor that allows users to create landing pages without needing any coding skills. You can easily add and customize elements such as text, images, buttons, and forms. GetResponse also provides a library of pre-designed templates that can be customized to match your brand and campaign goals. These landing pages are optimized for conversions, making it easier to engage visitors and encourage them to take action. You can add forms to capture email addresses, integrate them with your email lists, and even set up automatic follow-up emails. A/B testing features are available to help you test different versions of your page to see which one performs better. In this video, I'll walk you through two types of landing pages. One for lead generation to grow your email list, and one for pre-selling or getting people to take a specific action. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start with creating a lead generation landing page. A landing page for lead generation is a focused web page designed to capture visitor information, such as email addresses, to grow your contact list. It's typically used in marketing campaigns where visitors are encouraged to provide their details in exchange for something valuable, like an ebook, free trial, or discount. To be effective, the landing page should have a clear headline that highlights the offer, a strong call to action, CTA, and a simple lead capture form for visitors to submit their information. The design should minimize distractions and may include trust signals like testimonials or security badges to reassure users. The goal is to convert visitors into leads by offering something enticing in return for their contact details. Below the form, you might want to include some privacy information or legal disclaimers. You can add or edit text by highlighting it and changing the font or color in the settings. From your dashboard, click on Tools in the menu. Next, select Landing Pages. Now, we'll create a new landing page. You can either use a ready-made template or the AI-powered builder. For simplicity, let's go with a ready-made template. You'll see a variety of options, but I recommend starting with the basic templates. They're easy to customize, and they tend to convert better because they're clean and simple. Scroll through the templates and pick one that has a prominent sign-up form. For this example, I'll choose a simple design where the form is already at the top. Click on Use Template to begin editing. Once the template loads, the first thing you'll want to do is remove any unnecessary elements. You can do this by hovering over sections and clicking the delete icon. For lead generation, it's best to keep the page as clean as possible. Too many distractions like social sharing buttons or extra sections can reduce your conversions. Your goal is to get users to sign up, and that's it. After you've cleaned up the page, it's time to edit the content. Start by editing the headline. This is the most important part of your landing page, as it will be what draws people in. A good format to follow is How to Desired Result without undesired action. For example, how to start your online business without spending on ads. Make sure the headline is simple and clearly communicates what the visitor will get by signing up. Before moving on, let's tweak the Thank You page settings. Click on the form, then look for the option that says What happens after form submission? Here, you can either show a simple message or redirect the user to a new page. If you don't have a separate thank you page, the easiest option is to show a message like, "Thank you for signing up. Please check your inbox for your free gift." When you're done editing, click Save. The next step is to connect this landing page to an email list. You'll need to make sure you have an active list, so if you haven't done that yet, go to the Contact section of GetResponse and create a new list. Once your list is ready, go back to the landing page settings and choose the list where you want your new subscribers to be added. If you want, you can also connect this landing page to an autoresponder so that people get an automatic email as soon as they sign up. Once everything is set, click Publish. Your landing page is now live and you can start driving traffic to it. Next, I'll show you how to create a pre-sell or bridge page, which is designed to get visitors to take a specific action, like clicking through to another page or offer. A pre-sell page or bridge page is a web page designed to warm up or bridge the gap between your audience and the actual offer you want to promote. It acts as an intermediary between the source of traffic, like an ad or email, and the final sales or product page. The purpose of a pre-sell page is to build trust, provide context, and prepare the visitor for the offer they're about to see, increasing the likelihood of conversion. Instead of sending users directly to a sales page, which might feel too sudden or sales-driven, the pre-sell page educates or informs the visitor and sets the stage for the main offer. Head back to the Landing Pages section and create a new landing page. Again, let's use a basic template. This time, pick a template with a headline, some text, and a call to action button, but no sign-up form. After you've selected your template, delete any unnecessary sections like social sharing buttons or extra text at the bottom. Now, customize the headline. For a pre-sell page, you might want to use a headline that asks a question. This type of headline can engage visitors and encourage them to read on or watch a video. Next, let's add a video to the page. Click on the plus icon, drag a video block onto the page, and drop it under the headline. You can then paste in a YouTube or Vimeo link. The video should explain more about the product or service you're promoting. Now, edit the button text below the video. A clear call to action is essential for a pre-sell page. Change the button text in the settings. Make sure the button links to the offer page you want to promote. Also, I recommend setting the link to open in a new tab so visitors can keep watching the video while checking out the offer. With that, you've reached the end of this guide. You now have a clear understanding of how to create two powerful marketing tools: a lead generation landing page and a pre-sell or bridge page, all within the GetResponse platform. By mastering these techniques, you can start capturing leads and building connections with your audience more effectively. If you found this tutorial valuable and would like to explore the full potential of GetResponse, I encourage you to take the next step. Feel free to sign up and give GetResponse a try for free by clicking the link provided in the description below. It's a great opportunity to experience firsthand how this tool can streamline your marketing efforts and grow your business.